thought that you could do a track tool out of an RS5, but this Competition Plus pack is a lot further in that direction than any other RS4 and RS5 was before. So hello everybody, how are you doing? We are sitting in the brand new Audi RS5 Competition Plus, which means that this car has a lot of updates. You could of course argue that yeah, the RS5 is on the market for quite some time and that there's not much new in it, because also this car has the V6 with 450 HP, but in the end there is a lot of new stuff that I was also very surprised of, that they really put it into it. New software for the transmission, new software for the engine, new software for the sportive. We have lightweight wheels on the car which look really nice and also save 2 kilograms per wheel unsprung mass. That's really nice, of the 20-inch ones. We have new Corsa tires, not the Trofeo ones, but Corsa tires, so like racetrack and balance to everyday usability is of course a big part in that. And we have probably the party piece. We have a suspension that you can manually adapt so that you actually sit 20 millimeters lower than a standard RS5, which is not the Competition Plus pack, and that is really nice. And you can also see from the outside, it looks amazing. And listen to that sound, we have an enhanced exhaust system, which is really nice. Important part for the acceleration is that we are with a car that has only 2,700 kilometers on the clock, and secondly we are almost at 1,000 meters of height. Was 3.8 seconds. I think that's a very nice time. Let's continue with some spirited driving on the racetrack. And just for comparison reasons, let's now see how fast an RS4 goes. That is at 3.8 seconds, 0 to 100, and 3.4 on the internal measurement system. Well, quite interesting. Don't think that really the RS4 is faster than the RS5 Sportback, but different conditions. Nevertheless, very impressive times of well below 4 seconds, and we test everything with rollout function turned on. So that means, of course, that is the real number. Just for comparison reasons, I think an all-wheel drive M3 did something around 3.6 seconds, so that is really good. So we now will try out how fast the car goes, 100 to 200. Hopefully this straight will be enough for that. Cool down lap. 100 to 200 was not possible because the track is too small. Nevertheless, we have seen some good times. 3.4 on the internal measurement system and on our system a 3.9 show that this car in total is a tiny bit faster than what we tested before with an RS5 Coupe. And was it even one without OPF? I'm not even sure. That is, I think, very special. And of course, I really like the enhanced motion, not only because of steering and suspension, but specifically also because of the new exhaust sound. That is really nice. And yeah, overall a very nice package, despite, let's say, a car being a car that is on the market for quite some time. They made it nicer, they made it more adorable, they made it more special. And yeah, there are not too many cars out there in the market that are this special, and therefore I would say good job Audi Sport.